Good morning, students. Today we're going to talk about cyberbullying and what you need to know about cyberbullying. So what is cyberbullying? Cyberbullying is a type of harassing, threatening, demeaning, or embarrassing one or another person online. Online is defined as many different things. It can happen on cell phones, tablets, computers, within anything with internet capabilities, social media sites, text messages, pictures, chats, blogs, emails, and it is an attempt to gain social status over someone else. When the fingers take to the keyboard and thumbs type in a cell phone to craft a message of hate or malice about a specific person, that is when cyberbullying is occurring. Some of the tips for teens that we can use is: 1, report it to a school official. Collect evidence and make sure you screenshot and save the image or recording so that you have proof of what is happening. Make sure that you report it to whatever website, app, or game that the cyberbullying happened on. Let a trusted adult know what's going on. And make sure that we demonstrate care. Show the person being bullied that you care and that they're not alone in this situation. I want to make sure that we work together, gather others to demonstrate care together. Tell the bully to stop. Say something to the person that's doing the bullying and make sure that they know that what they're doing isn't right. Do not encourage this behavior. Don't forward the messages. Don't like them on social media. Don't gossip and spread rumors about the bullying that is happening. Make sure that we stay safe. Never do or say anything that puts yourself in harm's way. And lastly, don't give up. Find creative ways to put an end to the problem. Stats and facts about cyberbullying. Most common type of online harassment is mean comments. This happens 22.5% of people have seen this. 35% have sent a screenshot of someone's status or photo to laugh at them. 61% of teens who report being bullied say it's because of their appearance. 56% of online harassment victims report that they have been harassed on Facebook. 7 in 10, so 70% of young people experience cyberbullying before they hit the age of 18. 15% of online teens said that they had experienced unwanted forwarding of a private communication or private messages. 64% of victims who receive an aggressive instant message say that they know the perpetrator from in-person situations, so they had met that person face-to-face prior to the cyberbullying taking place. And teens who report being bullied say it was because of their parents first, followed by their intelligence, race, or sexuality. And only 6% of boys report being bullied, compared to 15% of girls. And cyberbullying has been and continues to rise as we become more reliant on technology. So what we need to do is we need to put a stop to this virus. First, we're going to speak up and stand up to all the bullies and cyberbullies. As a staff, we care about your well-being, and we want you to let us know of any form of bullying going on, and we will do our jobs to investigate it to the fullest extent that we can. It is against the law in Colorado. It is a Class 3 misdemeanor with a $50 fine, and then it can lead to 6 months in jail. A Class 1 misdemeanor is when the bullying happens of one's actual or perceived race, color, religion, ancestry, or national origin. This can result in 6 to 18 months in jail. It is also against our school board policy. When we look at the Board of Education, sets up a secure school climate conducive to teaching and learning that is free from threat, harassment, and any type of bullying behavior. And the purpose of the policy is to promote consistency of approach and to help create a climate in which all of you guys feel safe and that you guys are here to learn, and we want to provide the best opportunity for you. So be bold and do not spread it. Thank you guys, and let's make sure that we treat each other with respect.